Hi guys, this is episode 1 of Invest with GAE. My name is Nisha Manchanda, and in each episode I will take you through a project of the day from the Gurgaon market. But before I go further into the project details, I want to take a moment and address that most of us are talking about branded residences in the Gurgaon market, but with an average ticket size of more than 10 crores, I feel we are overlooking at those projects that can actually get us almost half the ticket size, but with the same global standards of living, just the international label is missing. But does that mean investing in a branded home is wrong? Absolutely not. It is all about your budget, your liking, your taste, your preference. There are a lot of pros and cons involved while you're taking such a decision, and if it feels too much, then I am just a call away. Now coming back to our project of the day, Smart World The Edition. This is located in Sector 66, Golf Course Extension Road, aka the new luxury district of Gurugram. But why is this termed as the new luxury district of Gurugram? Because Golf Course Road, as we all know, is the Lutyens of Gurgaon. There we have camellias, the halias in making, but what else? क्योंकि अब उसका एक saturation point आ गया है, सिर्फ एक दो launches और है in the bracket of 10 to 12 crores, and rest whatever there will be focusing on an average of the top 1% of this country. And not just this, many A-grade developers have recently entered the extension market. We have Oberoi, Shobha, Max Estates. Like literally forget the entire Gurgaon. This one particular micro market will hit its skyline totally different by next 4 to 5 years. Now coming back to Edition, where you are going to be surrounded by icons. The first branded residences of NCR region, which recently got delivered, Trump Towers, is going to be your neighbor. The biggest non-listed real estate developer of the NCR region, M3M, has its flagship project right next to you, and the tallest commercial tower of the NCR region, again your neighbor. Then what else are you waiting for? Let's talk numbers. Featuring 3 high-rise twin towers with a height of G+42 floors. But how does this project stands apart from the regular luxury projects that we see in Gurgaon? This is where its consultants come in. Ahluwalia Contractors, one of the most reputed construction companies in India, is the construction partner for Edition. Studio Symbiosis, an international design firm who operates out of Germany, UK and India, is the architectural consultant for this one. Grey Matter Singapore is designing the club and common areas. Red Landscape from Thailand is the landscape partner, and interiors are going to be done by an award-winning Asian designer, Itpalash. So this isn't just a project. This is a lifestyle plan and served to you on a silver platter. But if that wasn't enough, wait till you hear about the Edition Club, which is a 7-star experience in itself. Rooftop infinity pool overlooking the skyline, full boxing ring, which reminds me that there is one in Camellias and there is one in another project of Gurgaon. Well, comment down if you know the project's name. Coming back, we have squash court, badminton court, fully equipped gym, spa. Hence, you don't have to step out for fitness. Fitness is curated for you inside. Private theatre, party hall, sports bar, business lounge, and fresco lounge for the conversation. This is literally where work meets leisure. But enough of the indoor experiences. Do we have something on the outdoor also? Guess what? We have beach park, yoga pods, dedicated kids play area, skate park, jogging track, amphitheater, barbecue zone. So this isn't just vertical luxury. This is your entire lifestyle plan. This is the model for the Edition. These are how your towers are going to look like. That is your clubhouse. That is the beach park that I just told you about. And this right here is the select tower for the Edition. So whatever amenities that we discussed are common for all. But what actually sets the select tower apart are the hospitality services. Smart World has collaborated with Mercedes for its concierge services. Additionally, there is bartender on call, there is chef on call, there is home spa on call. So that reminds me, are we still talking about residential living? Because this actually makes me feel that we're talking about some hotel-inspired life. We have a total of 4 configurations in this one, 2 for 3.5 BHKs and 2 for 4.5 BHKs. Come, I'll show you how your apartment is going to look like. 11.5 floor to ceiling height. Every single residence will have a personal jacuzzi and a private deck. VRV air conditioning with built-in air purification systems. And the best part about the sample apartment, it is made on made-to-measure basis, which means that it was built after they received their RERA, which is the best part, because whatever size of bedrooms, washrooms, drawing dining that you will see here is exactly what you're getting yourself into. So if you're looking for skyline presence with 7-star living in a gated community, Smart World the Edition is where you need to be. For pricing and payment plan, you should definitely give us a call, because although they were already investor friendly, but with the big billion property sale 3.0 being live, they are just too good to be true. And with this, I conclude my first episode of Invest with GAE. Hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe.